back, you guys! How have you been doing? We hope you have tried making pizza and veggie brownies Ninja Chef style. Check out both videos in the description. So you guys, on this video, Ninja Chef will show you how easy it is to make chicken and broccoli pasta that you eat and enjoy. But before we get started, support the channel by subscribing. Turn on the bell notification to be alerted of future release videos. Like, comment, and share all of Ninja Chef videos with your friends and family. We thank you. Where is that intro? So you guys, this is actually part 1 of a 6-part series on chicken dishes. There's so many delicious, healthy, nutritious, inexpensive dishes we can make with chicken. If you're interested in following the 6-part series, go ahead and check out the playlist in the description. Since here at Ninja Chef we make easy dishes, we need to let you know that chicken and broccoli pasta only has 3 ingredients. What? Wait! Only 3 ingredients? Yes, that's right. Only 3 ingredients. But we want to give our dish a little twist and add a secret ingredient. So stick around to find out what the secret ingredient is. You'll love it. Let's not forget our segment called Fast and Furious, where we make a dish super fast and super furious. We are so excited to add a segment called Let's Take a Trip. Since Ninja Chef dishes are so easy to make and take less time in the kitchen, we have time to spend with our friends and family going on a trip. We also have the tip of the day. This will be quick. So let's get started cooking Ninja Chef style. Go Ninja Chefs! Let's grab simple cooking equipment that you already have in your kitchen. No need to go out and buy. We are saving you money. If you don't have these cooking equipment, not to worry. Just use what you have. If you don't have a colander to drain the pasta, it's okay. Use your tennis racket. There are only 3 ingredients for our chicken and broccoli pasta. The first ingredient is broccoli. You can buy it frozen or you can buy fresh broccoli. Here at Ninja Chefs, we buy what's on sale. We save money. The second ingredient is egg noodles, or you can use your favorite pasta. The third is cooked chicken breast. And the secret ingredient is baby bella mushrooms, or you can use your favorite mushrooms. Here at Ninja Chef, we make everything easy for you, so you eat and enjoy. Bring out your large pot and pour enough water into the pot. Set the temperature to high. Place the aluminum colander on top of the pot and bring the water to a boil. Add the broccoli florets. Add a lid and cook for 3 minutes. Depending on the size of your family, adjust the ingredients accordingly. For purpose of the video, this dish will serve 2. When the 3 minutes are up, remove the broccoli florets with a slotted spoon. Spread out the broccoli florets on a paper towel to drain and dry. Set aside. Or you can use your kitchen towel to remove the hot aluminum colander with the broccoli florets and set it on a cooling rack and set aside. We're going to use the same water that we cooked the broccoli florets in. We're gonna add salt to the water, but let's do this Ninja Chef style and use our hand as measurement. Did you guys know that you can use your hand as a measurement? Comment yes or didn't know that. Go ahead and add the salt you measure with your hand to the water. Set the temperature to high and allow the water to boil. Add the pasta to the boiling water, then bring back to a boil and cook accordingly to the pasta package instructions. When cooked, drain the pasta into a colander. Or here at Ninja Chefs, we're going to do this with a tennis racket. Come on, you guys. Do it Ninja Chef style. Go ahead and use your tennis racket. All right, here we go. All right, awesome. Ninja Chef style. Rinse under cold running water until cold. Then let it drain and dry. While the pasta is cooling, let's take care of the chicken. This is a store-bought chicken. So here in Ninja Chef, we make this very easy for you guys. So what you want to do is cut the chicken in half. Remove the skin from the chicken breast and cut the meat into bite-sized pieces. It's time to take care of our baby bella mushrooms. Lightly rinse the mushrooms with cool water and pat dry with a paper towel. So you don't want to soak the mushrooms in water because they will absorb too much water, preventing them from browning nicely. Use small amount of water, then pat dry with a paper towel will do the job just fine. Cut the mushrooms and saute the mushrooms in your favorite skillet. Once cooked, set to the side. Alright then, this next part is optional. If you like, chop some parsley for garnish. This is the moment of truth. Grab the bowl, add the cooked egg noodles, and go ahead and start adding all the other ingredients into the bowl. Chicken, broccoli, our secret ingredient, mushrooms. Now this is optional. Your favorite salad dressing and parsley for garnish. Salt and pepper optional and to your liking. Mix well. Okay, we're ready to serve. Let me grab a plate. You can add a bed of spinach, but this is optional. We want our chicken and broccoli pasta to rest. Scoop a spoonful. That'll do. We're making our dish gourmet. Only the best for you guys. Voila! What a fine dish we have created. Wait! Let me grab a fork and a napkin. Bon appetit! Just kidding. Come on, let's do this right. Grab a big plate. Go ahead and place a handful of spinach. Now this is optional. Remember, here at Ninja Chef, we make delicious, healthy, nutritious, inexpensive dishes for you and your family. This time add 3 spoonfuls of our chicken and broccoli pasta. Okay, wait. Let me get you a fork and napkin. Wow, how awesome does this look? Let us know by commenting down below if you'll try making chicken and broccoli pasta Ninja Chef style. Comment yes or maybe. Go Ninja Chefs! Wasn't that fun to make, you guys? Okay, here we go into the fast and furious dish. Basic chicken salad. You'll need these equipment. If you don't have this, it's okay. Use what you have. It's our little secret. These are the ingredients. Very basic. Don't worry about jotting anything down. It's all written for you under description. Place whole almonds in a half a cup for measurement and get ready to sliver them on the cutting board. Wow, we are fast and furious. Place the almonds in a saute pan. Toast over medium-high heat and toss and shake frequently to avoid burning. Come on, show us your Ninja Chef skills. Once the almonds are nicely toasted, set to the side. Let's work with the celery. We only need 1 celery stalk. Chop it up, fast and furious. Alright, let's get all the ingredients together in a large bowl. Mayonnaise, lemon juice, black pepper, cooked chicken, almonds, celery, and mix well. And once again, voila! There you have it, our fast and furious dish. Basic chicken salad. Ninja Chef style. Go Ninja Chefs! Let's take a trip. Since we make quick and easy dishes that are delicious, healthy, nutritious, and inexpensive that you eat and enjoy, let's take a trip with our friends and family. Can anybody guess where we're going? It sure is a long ride, but we'll get there. So just to let you know, guys, we are on Merida Island. So to the east is the Atlantic Ocean and the Banana River, and to the west is the Indian River. See at the distance, you guys? Wait, is that a rocket we see? We are so excited, we're about to reach our destination. Atlantis! The Kennedy Space Center! We're here! John F. Kennedy, our 35th president. Look at those awesome rockets. Click on the next Ninja Chefs video to watch additional footage of our Kennedy Space Center trip. The Kennedy Space Center trip is part of our 6-part series on chicken dishes. If you missed any of our 6-part series on chicken, not to worry. Check out our playlist titled We Love Chicken in the description. It's time for the tip of the day. This is a tip that Ninja Chefs uses to save money. After all, Ninja Chefs is here to help you make easy, delicious, healthy, nutritious, inexpensive dishes for you and your family that you eat and enjoy. So here is the tip. When you guys go to the market, take note of the sale date on the items you're about to put in your shopping cart. Market gives a significant amount of discounts when they need to sell that item on that particular date. So if you happen to be in the market in that particular date and it's the item you want to buy, look at the sale date to get a reduced price. So here the chicken thighs of 10 pieces is priced at $7.98. Since the market needs to sell this food item today, they have priced this food item to $3.96. That's a saving of $4.02. The market needs to sell this food item by today. That's why they place it on sale. It will be okay to buy it. If you don't have a dinner plan for this chicken item, it's okay. Watch our 6-part series, We Love Chicken, and follow our easy instructions. You and your family will eat and enjoy. If you do, you become a Ninja Chef. Go, Ninja Chefs!